This is nothing but heptane. Its molecular formula is C7H16. Here the black balls which represents the carbon atoms and the rest of the color which represents the hydrogen atom. If I going to count, then I have taken 16 hydrogen atom and 7 carbons atom, which makes the structure of heptane.
Welcome back to my channel. So today's in this video we are going to learn hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is a compound which is basically made up of a hydrogens and carbon atom only. So they form the basic of organic chemistry. So in our everyday life we are using petrol, LPG and natural gas. These are all made up of a hydrocarbons. So there are two types of hydrocarbons. One is saturated hydrocarbons. They are alkanes with a single bond, and the unsaturated hydrocarbons, they are alkanes with a double and triple bond. Some of the hydrocarbons like benzenes are aromatic in nature and having a ring-like structure. So from the fuel to plastics, all compounds are made up of a hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are very essential use in our day-to-day life activities. So now the 7th member of alkane family is that heptane. Heptane, H-E-P-T-A-N-E, heptane. Hept means 7. So the general formula of heptane is CnH twice n plus 2. Now with the help of this general formula we are going to find out the molecular formula. Since hept means 7, so n is 7 here. So C7H, if I put the value of n is equal to 7, 7 to the 14, 14, 15, 16. So 6,7,8,16 is the molecular formula of heptanes. Now with the help of this we are going to find out the structural formula. Since the numbers of carbon atom ends is 7, directly I will write the 7 carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So it can hold 4 hydrogen, that is 1, 2, 3. This carbons is 2 already there, so it can hold another 2 hydrogen. 2 is already filled up, it can hold 2 hydrogen. Similarly 2 filled up, so 2 hydrogen. Here also is same, 2 hydrogen. There is also 2 hydrogen, and the last one 1, 2, 3, 4. It can hold 3 hydrogen at a time. So this is the structural formula of heptanes. Now condensed formula will be CH3. So here CH2, then this one CH2, this one CH2, this one CH2, this one CH2, this one CH3. Now count it. How many carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons atom, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is the hydrogen atom. So this is the condensed formula of heptanes. So now we are going to prepare a model of heptanes. Let's have a look.
This is nothing but the model of heptane, whose molecular formula is C7H16. Here the black balls which represents the carbon atoms and the rest of the colors balls which represent hydrogen atoms. So in order to prepare the model of heptanes, I have taken 16 number of hydrogen atom and 7 numbers of carbons atom. So this is the 7th member of alkane family of saturated hydrocarbons. If I are going to count, then we can see there is 16 hydrogen atom and the 7 carbon atom which make the model of heptane. Thank you.